here is the famous T-spine release with the peanut, okay? So this guy here is perfect position for you to put your spine right between. So if I lay on my back here, all right, I'm gonna start just at the top of my thoracic spine. So you're more than welcome to rest on the peanut on your occipital muscles up here, like in your skull, but you're not really gonna do much rolling of your neck, okay? So be very careful with the neck. Some people just like to relax like this, for example. That's fine if that feels good for you. But generally speaking, you're gonna start your rolling just towards T1 here, okay? So right at the top part of my traps. All right, so my spine's in the middle, starting on the traps here. Basically what I'm gonna do is kind of extend backwards, flex upwards, and then I'm gonna roll in between the next vertebrae. So this is gonna take a little while, but you get the idea. So I'm right here, it feels great. I'm just gonna relax over the ball. You can take your time with this too. And then I'm going to flex forward, and keep your hands up here if you'd like. Oh, that feels so good. And then I'm gonna, again, lift my hips up, move about an inch, and do it again. So I'm just working my way towards the bottom of my thoracic spine, okay? Again, you're not making very big movements here, just over and up. Oh my God, it's the best ever. So just be careful, but my word of warning to you is that you don't go lower than T12, okay? Some of you are flexible and super fit, I'm sure, but the risk of injury, it goes up when you're past the thoracic spine, trying to do the lumbar spine, it just doesn't work, okay? So be careful. So this is about it for me. So over, oh, it feels so good. And then up and over, okay? It is magical. And if once you've done that, feel free, you can just use it as a roller. It's a lot more painful than a foam roller though, so I don't think I'd be going too crazy just for the traps here. And that's my favorite combo for the peanut and lacrosse ball on the ground.